Did you know the average RFP can take 32 hours of manual grueling work? Now, in this video, in under 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use AI RFP automation to drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to get to a first draft for your RFP, DDQ, or security questionnaire using AutoRFP.ai. Sick. Let's jump into it. So, AutoRFP, we're an AI RFP software automation platform across the globe with hundreds of customers using our software every day, battle-tested AI to help you automate RFPs. First, what's the problem? So an RFP, or request for proposal, or due diligence questionnaire, or security questionnaire, is a pain felt across all industries, whether it's construction, software, technology, finance, healthcare, anyone selling to government or private businesses. And these glorified question and answers take hours and hours for people to complete, for them to win new business. It's a crucial part for your business to win enterprise and government contracts, which really help you grow sustainably and quickly. But when you go to bid on one, you are met with the RFP. Average response times are 30 to 40 hours, usually involve 5 to 8 people. 70% of content is reused but hard to find. And the average win rate across all industries is only 43%. So you're spending hours with uncertainty that you may win, which is where efficiency and writing better responses, leveraging AI, helps you win more faster. Now, looking into RFP automation, you have a number of options. You can pick up a legacy RFP software. They've been around since the late 90s. They brought software to the RFP problem. Effectively, a glorified question and answer bank, like a database. You upload Q&A pairs, and then they try to use keyword matching to find the most relevant to then help you answer questions that you get in your new RFPs and tenders. You can also do AI builds yourself. So you might use ChatGPT or Claude, and you can see our other videos about how you can potentially use them. But effectively, you hit a ceiling where it's hallucinating, it's taking more time now to fix things than it should, and just doesn't have enough context to find the right answer most of the time. Or you can choose an actual AI native leader like AutoRFP, built from AI from the get-go, and have built the engine around zero hallucination, multimodal architecture to leverage the latest models across all your major providers, library-less approach so it doesn't take a lot of time to maintain the system, really high automation rates, and enterprise security built in from day dot. So why do teams choose AutoRFP.ai? The reason is your knowledge is always current. We integrate with over 20 different systems, and we pull in from all your various file management and different software to make sure that your data is always up to date and you don't have to maintain it across multiple different places. We're most accurate in the category because we leverage the different models, including specialized re-ranker models, embedding models, search models, and your large language models where they're best. And our team of over 15 software engineers and AI engineers make sure that this is battle tested, evals are correct, and it produces the correct answer based off your source context. And it's one platform for every stage of the RFP journey, from intake to new RFP, to AI-powered go, no-go, to drafting, to reviewing and using agents to review and update your RFP response, translation, to collaboration across SMEs and different team members, ensuring that they can easily collaborate in an easy-to-use platform, and then exporting as well. Let's start with the AI native auto library. This is the core of the platform where your different content sources and past projects and up and web scraping all live in the one place. And any question that comes up, whether it's in an RFP or a team member asking the question, can be automatically answered with trust-based scores, specific semantic search, and ensures that the correct answer is found and used to then answer and generate an appropriate response. Then effectively you upload a blank RFP. The AI-powered response engine then automatically generates responses, translates it, and everything to have the correct answers. Then your team can very easily edit, review, integrate with Slack and Teams, and everyone's notified on project deadlines. Now I've spoken enough. Let's jump into the actual product, and you can see AI RFP automation from the start. We start by creating a project, which is a new RFP. We've got our portal agent that can scrape your requirements from web portals like SAP Ariba and others, automatically ingesting those answers into your AutoRFP instance and then automatically drafting responses for you to easily enter back into the portal. Or you can upload a zip that contains like PDF, Excel, Word doc of your RFP and import that into the platform. First, we have our AI go, no go. This asks different questions of your RFP based on your company context to ensure that should we actually bid on this RFP before we start it. It'll automatically grab out key details and link it to our CRM via our integration with Salesforce and so on. And here it's answered each question, and you can see it has confidence levels, it has trust built in, and you can then look back and see where the original source and what, for instance, table or other information. Now, AI importer automatically selects every requirement, child requirements, drop-down pick lists, response cells, and everything else that's required for that RFP. We can manually change it if needed, but it automatically pulls that in. Then we can choose what content from our library or just choose every content, and our intelligent tagging and hierarchy system will make sure that the most relevant content is used for that response. And then I can create my project. Next, the AI response engine then automatically starts sourcing the correct content from your auto library, re-ranking and finding the most relevant information, using that to then draft, redraft, and edit responses with AI, and then provide those responses back to you in a matter of seconds. And you can see here my 30 or so requirements automatically being filled out across the entire project. It's chosen the relevant pick lists, and each one of these have trust scores that I can understand further where this came from. It also has our AI-powered feedback score, and this is where AutoRFP is different to other systems. We don't want to just help you source the correct answers. We want to help you write better responses. And this goes into our feedback loop, where as you use the platform and write better responses, the AutoRFP system learns from those responses, and continually your responses get better to help you win more faster. Here we can do inline comments so I can notify my team, and so they can jump in, get notifications. I can submit, approve, add attachments, and everything else I can do in this platform. Finally, we have our project overview, which is our project management HQ for this particular RFP, making sure everyone understands deadlines. You can send reminders out to team members and just know when something needs to be completed by and when completed by and who is completing it. Making sure that your RFP response is submitted on time and you're not faced with 5 p.m. Friday deadlines, calling someone to make sure you can get the correct answer to the correct question. That's our short introduction to AutoRFP. There's a lot more in RFP automation and AI RFP software that you can learn, but feel free to reach out to our team. We'd love to provide a detailed demonstration to you so you can understand if this is a good fit for your business. Already, AutoRFP is in 44 plus countries across the globe with hundreds of customers across different industries like technology, finance, and healthcare. And our customers are winning more faster. One of our customers, like Shane and Sweeney from Sugar CRM, won 15 of their top 25 enterprise customers using AutoRFP. They're using AI RFP automation to win more today, and it's a competitive advantage for their businesses. Our pricing is incredibly transparent. You can find more information on our website. To get in touch with our team, head over to our website, AutoRFP.ai. Book in a demo today and learn more and see if we can help you win more faster.